1 equal sign or 2? This tiny difference trips up every Python beginner, but not you. Let's master this once and for all. Today we're solving Python's biggest beginner puzzle. We'll master when to use 1 equal sign versus 2, understand assignment direction, and avoid the mistakes that confuse everyone else. Ready to become an equals expert? Here's the golden rule that will save you so much confusion. 1 equal sign means put into or assign. 2 equal signs means is equal to, like asking a question. We'll use 2 equals next week, but today let's master the single equal. Look at these assignment examples. Age equals 13 means put 13 into age. Name equals Sarah means put Sarah into name. X equals Y means put Y's current value into X. Always reading right to left, the value goes into the variable. Think of the equal sign like an arrow pointing left. Score equals 100 means 100 goes into score. The variable name is always on the left, the value always on the right. This direction matters. Here's what happens when you flip the direction. Trying to put age into 13 or message into hello makes no sense. Python immediately says syntax error. Can't assign to literal. Always put the variable on the left. Quick test time. Look at these 4 statements and identify which ones are valid assignments. Remember the direction rule. The valid ones are color equals blue and x equals 5 plus 3. Both have variables on the left, values on the right. The invalid ones try to put variables into values. Python can't do that. Here's the mindset shift that helps everything click. Score equals 100 doesn't mean score and 100 are the same thing. It means put 100 into the box labeled score. It's an action, not a comparison. Perfect. You now know that 1 equal sign means assignment. Put into. 2 equal signs mean comparison. Ask if equal. Variables always go on the left, values on the right. You've conquered Python's biggest beginner confusion. Next up, visualizing memory with diagrams.